Greetings from the grasshopper, everyone. I just wanted to stop and share the first flowers of the spring. Totally stoked to find these little guys today. It's Trailing Arbutus, also known as the Mayflower, which is the provincial flower of where I live, Nova Scotia, Canada. So that's kind of cool. They usually pop up in March, April, May, native to North America, eastern into the west a little bit, but mostly eastern North America. Really pretty, super fragrant right now as they're in the sunshine. And they usually are in this kind of area on the edge of a forest, a little bit moist, very sensitive they are, so you have to be careful not to bother them and not to pick the flowers because they can kill the plant, I guess. So just admire them, take in the sweet aroma. Yeah, totally stoked. First flowers of the spring.